Dude, over here is the sulphur crested cockatoo. The sulphur crested cockatoo scientific name is Cockatoo galarita. Current range is Eastern Australia. These guys get up to 18 inches tall and weigh 1 to 2 pounds. Habitat is open grasslands to dense rainforests. They eat fruits, seed, and ripe fruits. This bird was popularized in the 1970s on the TV show Beretta. This bird prefers tropical and subtropical forested areas where it can be abundant food. A large and showy bird, this species is capable of doing extensive damage to crop areas and is occasionally treated as a pest in Australia.